Kentucky today, many are wondering what's next after GOP lawmakers successfully passed one of the country's most controversial anti-trans legislation. The new law regulations will have impacts on children, teachers, and physicians. Connor Steffen talked to JCPS school officials today to see what the immediate impact will be.
Well, Wednesday's chants in Frankfort have faded. Concerns continue to pour in.
I think a lot of people in our state are hurting. There are a lot of parents who are really scared.
As one of the nation's strictest anti-trans measures is now Kentucky law.
So suddenly legislators in charge of health care for our kids.
Stark child abuse and neglect advocates like Terry Brooks are weighing in, calling it a setback for the entire state.
It makes kids vulnerable. What is arguably a strong pro-life General Assembly, there is no way to describe 150 and not say it is anti-life.
Supporters have always considered SB 150 a parents' rights law.
Is to protect our sons and daughters in their most vulnerable spaces.
Now, some of the changes are set to take effect in June. Among them is a ban on all gender-affirming care for trans youth and requirements that doctors begin detransitioning patients under the age of 18 currently receiving treatment. The law also allows teachers to misgender students, bars classroom lessons on gender identity and sexuality, and requires school districts to create explicit bathroom policies prohibiting trans students from using certain school facilities. As for the impact at JCPS schools, district officials tell us most JCPS schools have accommodations for students who request an alternative restroom. Beyond that, officials don't know much. We're told any potential changes will not be clear until state guidance is handed down. As schools wait, others are looking to the courts. ACLU Kentucky has made it known that they're interested in challenging this in court. So when do you think we could see legal action?
So the ACLU of Kentucky will be filing suit against Senate Bill 150. We will be challenging this law in court. We are already in conversation with a number of Kentuckians that this impacts, trans Kentuckians, parents of trans Kentuckians, and we are currently building our case.
ACLU Kentucky doesn't have a time frame in mind just yet, but says it plans to have some sort of challenge filed well before the deadline that hits in June. In Louisville, Connor Steffen, WHAS 11 on your side.
The ACLU of Kentucky just gave us an update on the 19 protesters arrested in Frankfort yesterday. They say all have been released from the Franklin County Regional Jail. They are all facing third-degree criminal trespassing charges.